Hey everybody, it's Josh from Cap Unpacked, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a glass screen protector onto your Canon camera. Now, I'm using an R10, but this will work with any other camera. Now, please note that if you do install a glass screen protector on your camera, if your screen does flip inwards, you will unfortunately not be able to put it in, or you might be able to, but it will cause a lot of pressure on the camera, and as a result, it may crack the screen or damage the camera. So please make sure that if you do install a screen protector, that you read the instructions, and that you also make sure that your camera will not have a screen that goes inwards. So I bought a few screen protectors off Amazon for quite cheap, and I'll leave a link in the description as well if you do want to get some. But these are the ones I got. So you can see that when you open it up, you get your wipes to clean the screen, a few of these dust things. I never use these glide stickers. I've never actually used them before, so yeah, we won't do that. And then you also have some wipes here as well, more wipes. I'm going to just take one of these out, and you'll notice that when we pull it out, it is just a sheet of glass, and we'll get our Canon camera set up. So I'm going to just leave my Canon camera off for now, but you can see the screen is very dirty. So what we want to do is we want to get one of our wipes from the kit. I'm going to use the wet wipe first, so we just rip that open and grab that right there. Awesome. And we'll just simply wipe the screen. So just get rid of all that disgusting dust on the screen. I might just bend it up a little bit more. We don't want any dust on the screen because the dust can actually damage and scratch the screen. So we're just trying to get rid of as much as possible. Might even shine it to the roof. Yeah, that's probably a lot better. Okay, I think that's looking quite good. So I'm going to now get the other wipe, and I'm going to, from this pack here, this is the dry wipe. So well, I guess the other one was kind of wet, but oh well, we'll use this one. So just wiping all of the liquid. If your pack does have a wetter wipe, then we're just getting rid of all of that right here. So now what we want to do is we want to get our actual screen protector. Now if you do see dust on your screen, don't worry, this next step will get rid of it. So if your kit does come with a dust sticker, you can just simply peel that off, and you can just stick up all the dust. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'll be very careful with it because I didn't realize how strong it would be. Jeez. Wow. Okay, well, that is a very strong sticker. Be careful when you use this because I don't want you to damage your screens. It's actually quite strong. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get our glass screen protector, and we're going to peel off the back part. So now this part is the sticky part of the screen protector. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it and carefully lay it down. So this will cover the whole screen. Just carefully lay it down on one side, and we're going to tip it so that the screen is actually fully up. And we'll just drop it down. Now the screen protector will fit into place, so we just want to be very gentle, but we just need to make sure that we push the screen protector as close to the edge as possible. So I've done that, and I'm going to use one of my fingers just to keep my thumb down on the screen. That looks way better, perfect. And we're going to do that thing again with our finger. We're just going to slide it across the screen, and perfect. That's installed. So you can see, just a note, when you do install the screen protector, make sure that it is lined up as close to the edge as possible. Because what I had just then was it was way too close to this edge, so it wasn't actually pushing down properly. But you can see after that, we've actually installed the screen protector. It could potentially, I think you could close it. No, okay, I would not recommend closing it like that. So if you do have a screen protector on, I'd recommend just tilting it backwards and closing the screen like so, just so that you don't accidentally crush the screen protector in. You definitely do not want to put pressure onto that screen, because if you do, it will crack. But the screen protector is really good because instead of you actually having to leave the screen inwards all the time because you're worried about scratching or cracking it, this glass screen protector adds an extra bit of protection to the screen. So that is definitely worth it. Now, if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Cap Unpacked. There's my logo, and I've got a whole bunch more videos planned. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya!